Alright, so we're doing an unboxing of a Sony remote control tripod that I got for Christmas this year. VCT-60AV. So I'm going to open this box up here. Got a travel case here, comes with it. All the instructions. Oh, I can't read that. It's in a different language. What do you like? Look out. Whatever. It's pretty neat. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to explain to you how to put the camera onto the tripod here. So you just take this little lock here, put the camera down, push it, and then this pops right out. Alright, so to get the camera in, you have to match it up. In there. Turn to the right. Slide it back in. Alright, so the camera's in now. So in order to get the camera to hook up, you take out this wire right here out of the controller box. It's going to go into the section where you plug your battery in to charge. So this is going to go in there. Now it's all hooked up. The green light comes on. So the tripod has all the features that your camera has. Zoom in and zoom out. And start recording by hitting the button here, and stop recording. You can turn the camera off and on. Just sliding it down till the camera's off. Slide it again. The camera turns on. The other cool feature that we like here is if you click this button right here, it gives you your boxes to give you where you should film, which is pretty neat. So you know you should always have your target right here. So it goes off and on with this button. If you have the setting, you can hit here for photo. You take a photo with your camera, so that's pretty neat too. Zoom in, zoom out. So another thing that we got here is that all these right here, they tighten it up. So turn right, it gets tight, it makes it harder to turn. Turn it to the left for all these here. You get a free move. It's a lot easier than a normal tripod where you'd have to hold the camera and turn it. Get this free move. Just like that. It's alright. Thank you for watching my review here, and we're sure to have a lot of unboxings and other videos using this tripod.